There will be many emotions today. Some rejoicing for the blessing God has allowed them to have becoming a mother. Some children like me mourning the loss of their mother. Many mourning that have not been healed. Others hurting because of their struggles to become a mother and fertility issues. And those God decided would not have the opportunity to become natural mothers, but on this earth, you are spiritual mothers. Having mixed emotions myself today, I'm sending prayers and strength to you. So today will be a day of remembrance of who you are and why you are where you are today. Your mother would be proud of the strides you have made. May you have God's peace that surpasses all understanding, and may the joy of the Lord be your strength. I love you. God bless you, and have a wonderful Mother's Day, keeping the memories of your mother. On another note, to the nurses aid, the home health aides, the orderlies across the world. This week, May 6th through 11th, we celebrate you in Nurses Week. And the past few years have been a hollow of light. You've been through many struggles. Please know that your grace in weathering storms has not gone unnoticed. Your healing hands, your caring hearts have and will continue to make a difference in the lives of those you have touched, those you are touching, and those that you will continue to touch. Your humility observes our abundant strength and gratitude. To you, I wish that you find your joy and are lifted up by the importance of your role, your work, and your spirit. A world without us as nurses, nurses aid, home health aides, and unit secretary is like a world without trees. God bless you and happy Nurses Week.